Hello guys, it's heavy rain here. Only 3 p.m. but it looks like 6 p.m. already because the cloud is dark. So our neighbor there, they stopped working because it's raining. So not so noisy now. I really love rain. It refresh the air, and then of course it water the plants. You see our malunggay, taas na kaayo. Maybe after 1 week more, we ask the grass cutter to cut the grass again. That building there, um, that's the side where the subway and the E-Mart is located. So we are near the commodities here. And I have friend also, their house is located at that side there. You see that road going in. My friend stay there. And then there farther, my friend also stay over there. And this is a very peaceful place here. Well, let you see also. Yan, this is a curry plant. Ang bango ng ano nito guys, yung leaves. Ito yung nilalagay sa ano, yung mga curry chicken, mga curry na mga luto. Sarap. Ako lang talaga ang ano, hindi marunong magluto. But anyway, it's okay. Oh, yan, hindi na masyadong strong ang ano, ang rain. Dripping na lang siya ng konti. Ganda. Ayan, may bird sa malunggay namin. Sana ganito lagi, no. This is not our house guys, nag-rent lang kami dito. Ang ganda ng paligid, napaka peaceful. Ay, mag-start na siguro mag-ingay yung kapitbahay kasi mahina na yung ulan. So magdidig na naman sila kasi tamo yun, ilalagay na nila yan para mag-extend yung bahay, nagre-renovate. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day everyone, and God bless!